Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial series on performance improvement project SharePoint sites. The objective of this first video is to give you a basic understanding of navigation and orientation of our performance improvement project template. Before we start covering navigation and orientation, our hope is that you'll find this template useful to effectively and efficiently manage your projects. Okay, let's get started. So this is what our project template looks like. Over on the left, you'll notice that we have a navigation pane that includes links to project documents, project plan, tasks, issues, weekly updates, project KPIs, your calendar, and a team discussion board. We'll cover each one of these in more detail in later video tutorials. But this is a handy navigation pane for you no matter where you are on your project site. Now if we move over to the body of your site, you'll see different web parts which are fed from different components of your site. Weekly updates, KPIs, your project plan, and your project charter. If we look to the right of the site, you'll see three web parts. One for meeting agendas and minutes, one for links, and one for articles of interest. And that pretty much covers the basic orientation of our standardized project SharePoint site. Navigating in SharePoint is very similar to navigating any other web page. So if we jump over to the left navigation pane here and we click on Task, this will take us to our task list. And within this list you'll see project task, due date, start date, things you would like to see associated with project task. Now navigating back to your home page, you have two options. One, you can click your browser button and go back, or you can use these nice handy dandy breadcrumbs. This lets you know exactly where you are in your project site. So this shows us that we're in the Patient-Centered Medical Home Grant site, the Med Refill project, and in project task. So if we want to jump up one layer and go back to the main page, simply click on Med Refill. This will take us back to the home page. If we want to jump into project issues, click project issues. This is our issues landing page. You'll have issue, who your issues assigned to, your status, severity, due date, all the things you'd like to see associated with issues. And again, here, up on your project breadcrumbs, it lets you know exactly where you are within your site. So if I want to jump back to the main page, simply click here. Another example would be if we wanted to check out the project calendar. If I go into the project calendar and I'm in project calendar and I wanted to jump right over to project task, I can navigate that way too. Then if I wanted to jump back to the home page, I could just follow my breadcrumbs back to the home page. And here we are. That pretty much concludes the first video tutorial on navigating and orientation of our standardized project SharePoint sites. Thank you.